Hey, good evening, everybody. What a day today. 76 degrees. It was so nice out there. Getting a little bit of onshore winds, nothing crazy, but about 7 or 8 miles an hour by the beach areas. I think tonight we're going to deal with a little bit of fog. So I'll show you tomorrow morning. We'll know at 11 o'clock tonight if we get a dense fog advisory. If we do, it'll be right by the immediate coast and down towards Long Beach. There might be a problem if you're flying out of LAX early tomorrow, if the fog really gets thick tomorrow or Friday. So just a heads up, going to keep you updated on that. We'll see if that materializes. But by Friday, you can see it's a little more extensive, and that's more marine layer pressing all the way in through the basin. So we'll keep a good eye on that. There goes the low pressure. High builds in through the area. Offshore winds, nothing strong, but will flow offshore, and that's a good thing. Brings temperatures up, makes for a nice couple of days, especially as we get Thursday into Friday. Then as we get to the weekend, the high will move out. We'll get marine layer. We'll get an eddy kicking up. Once that eddy kicks up, it just brings some overcast in. That'll bring temperatures down a little bit, put us a little bit above normal. Low clouds, fog, warming trend continues. Thursday, Friday, the warmest days. And then, of course, we get to Easter Sunday. Really nice. Right around normal, including the inland areas, right to around 78. Quick look for the IE. Friends up into the high deserts and the mountains. All looking good. Enjoy it, everybody. We'll see you tonight at 11 o'clock. Pat, me, and Jim Hill. See you here.